Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the Chief Revenue Officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to appeal an Amazon seller account suspension. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're discussing how to appeal an Amazon Seller Central account suspension. Receiving a suspension notification can be alarming, but it's crucial to act swiftly and effectively to appeal it. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Performance Notifications section under the Performance tab. Review the suspension notice carefully to understand the reason for the suspension. Amazon usually provides specific details on the issue. Prepare a plan of action, POA, outlining the steps you've taken to address the issue and prevent future incidents. Be concise and provide factual information. Address each point mentioned in the suspension notice in your POA. Explain the root cause of the issue, steps taken to resolve it, and preventive measures implemented. Ensure your POA is professional and free of spelling or grammatical errors. Use bullet points for clarity, and include any supporting documentation if applicable. Submit your appeal through the appeal button or link provided in the suspension notice. Follow Amazon's guidelines and submit your POA within the specified time frame. Monitor your email and Seller Central dashboard for updates. Amazon's Seller Performance team will review your appeal and respond via email or directly in Seller Central. Be patient during the review process, as it may take several days for Amazon to respond. Avoid submitting multiple appeals unless requested by Amazon. If your appeal is successful, your selling privileges will be reinstated and you can continue selling on Amazon. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.